Hello everyone, my name is Chen Ying. I will enter a postgraduate course in September 2020 and I'm going to show you how to find information about my major at University of Leeds. My major is Fashion, Enterprise and Society, which is taught by School of Design and Business School. Okay, let's go. First of all, we can use the Google search engine and we should type in University of Leeds here. And find it, click on. Here we should find the course search. We should type the name of course here. And choose master, click on search. We find my major in here and click on it. Okay, as you can see, this is my course page, and there are four parts, like overview, course content, applying fees and funding, career opportunities. Okay, let's start with overview. It introduces purpose of teaching and what skills students can learn. According to the test, we know students can get a range of skills and then students can view the fashion industry from a broader perspective and be better prepared to be fashion business innovator. And here, the school will provide a great number of facilities and resources, such as well-equipped studio, purpose-built computer clusters, and we can look up information in Marks Spencer Company archive. And as you can see, there is a video. You can watch it and listen to the feeling of former students in this major. Okay, move on the second part. This template shows us what kind of course we are going to study. You can see there are compulsory modules and optional modules. If you want to get more information, you can click here. This is a list of postgraduate courses. You can see students should study full-time for 12 months and get 108 credits. Plus, you need to satisfy the University of Leeds language requirement. For example, you should get an IELTS scores of 6.5 overall with not less than 6.0 in all components. And we can find core modules. Core modules are provided by School of Design. And in addition, students can choose elective course in here according their interests. If you can get more information, you can hear. And there are more information about courses, such as teaching methods, assessment type, reading list. Okay, now we should go back to part 3. Here the admission requirements. As I said before, you should meet English language requirements. And how to plan study, should prepare some materials like a copy of your degree, certificate, certificate or personal statement, evidence of your English language qualifications. Maybe look at here, and the program manager will invite you to participate in an interview. And how much fees? UK students should pay £12,000 and international students should pay £24,000. However, look at here, if you are very talented, you can get financial support by school or government. And career opportunity, when you graduate, what kind of job will you can get? Look at here, maybe you can join the magazine, fashion companies, and create your own business, or you can continue studying, get a PhD degree, and so on. Okay, that's all I want to share with you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.